Hello everyone, welcome back to Multi Channel YouTube. In this video we're going to be testing, reviewing special the PL400, and this one, of course, most people doing construction renovation, they know already about this PL400, which is mostly now being used for like home renovation or commercial residential, and of course people using it for hardwood floor framing or any kind of wood. The best, as known as the best for like subfloor adhesive. So, and I basically going to test this PL400 in different type of material here, as you see, like wood, metal, aluminium, and plastic. And so we're gonna be using different testing to different tests on different component and see if the PL400, after when we're done, how it'll be, how hard will be. Because to be honest with you, I use this PL400 for a lot of different things, and I found it's very strong. However, it takes about more than a day or so to dry. It depends on the amount you use. If you use a little bit amount, it takes roughly about 24 hours, and it depends on condition. If you use a lot of it, maybe it takes about sometimes even like 3-4 days to dry completely. Once it's dry, it'll become really hard, and you will see after when we do the testing, we'll leave them for 24 hours, we'll come back next day and we'll see how hard this PL400 is, because most people, they don't know about the secret of PL400. Of course, there's different grade like numbers and grades for the PL400, PL200, PL600, PL800, and PL premium. I'll put link description in all different type of PL400 or PL200 PL products and adhesive, and where you can so this one basically, as you see, it is I mean, subfloor squeezing, stuff like that, and you know. So let's try. I have another one used already, and so it's a good time to use this for test, and it's pretty much similar. It's a similar one. If you don't have this gun, cracking gun, you can just cut it and use, you know, anything. Because as you see, I tried to but because it's old and it's still, however, it's okay to use. You know, it's dry for now, but the bottom should be okay. And the thing is about those PL400, once you open them, they don't last long, and the air can get inside and make them dry. So let's try put some here, and we'll make some test. So as you can see, it's dry. And if you get this in your hand or something, it's like halfway dry, but it's still okay to use. And you can see that it's old, you know, so that's why to wash, don't use water to wash your hands. Use the WD-40 or gas, or like a WD-40, this one here. You can clean if you get stuck in your hand. And so let's try first of all with metal. So this is metal here. And straight here. I had a video before testing the GP weld. You can, I'll put link in the description if you want to check that video too. So first, here's are the metal, okay, and leave this one here. We'll use the, of course, wood. Okay, so as you can see, because this is halfway dry, still okay to use, but it could be not effective as a new PL400, but still okay to use, and just for test demonstration. This is plastic, So we'll put some testing on plastic here. Okay, so this is plastic. Then we'll use on metal another, this is piece of door hand, and we're just gonna put this one like that, and then just like that. So maybe a little bit more. Okay, so we have the wood, this, and of course we still have different, this is aluminium, and we're gonna test on aluminium too. The new PL400 should be much softer because this is halfway dry, and that's why it's like a, it looks like a piece or something. But so just to let you know, put this one here like that. Okay. And we also have like try different type of surfaces like wood, and stick this one here. We'll try wood on metal. This is wood on metal, and we'll try wood on plastic. So that's wood, and just regular plastic here. Wood on plastic. And we'll try also because this is old, as you see, so it's easy to break it down like that, and I'm not gonna keep it, I'll just use it. And so we'll use maybe this metal aluminium on plastic again. So aluminium on plastic. Now finally we'll use this little plastic here, cup of plastic on metal. Okay, so wood on metal, aluminium on metal, wood on wood, door parts of door lock, plastic on plastic, aluminium on metal, plastic on wood, plastic on metal, aluminium on plastic. And we'll leave them for tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow, leave them 24 hours to dry, and we'll test them and see how strong they are. So this has been after we did the gluing all those parts together. It's been about almost 4 days, and now it's time to test it. So remember, we did like this is the first one, like metal, this is aluminium on metal, plastic on aluminium, and different things. So we'll start with this one first. So see how strong the PL400 is. Before we do this test, let's see, this is, I left a little bit, and you can see it's like a rock now. It's very strong. You can see now how strong is this. It is very, very strong actually. See, it's still flexible. So the PL400, the more it takes a long time to dry, but like maybe after a week, that's a long time. But the PL400 will become really, really hard. It's like a really hard rock. It's like a rock. So this, after maybe 4 or 5 days, almost 5 days or so, you can see it's a kind of still not 100% dry, but it's for this testing demonstration to show you the PL400. If you use it as a glue, fixing things, it's going to take a long time, but the results are fantastic. So we'll start with this one first. So let's see how strong this piece first. It's I can tell it's very, very strong actually, and we'll put it on the ground and hit it with hammer. So you can see pretty much it is strong, but the PL400, however, is not 100% dry. So the more time you leave it, it will become really, really super hard to break. And we did the test before on GB weld, and it was not very strong as this. So this is the first one. Let's see the second one. The second one, aluminium on plastic. And also it was okay, I mean, but as you see, like we mentioned before, the PL400 is not was dry 100%. I put it thick, but just for demonstration. See, and now we tested the plastic on wood, and it's not holding very hard. But again, the PL400 was not 100% dry, as you can see. Now we did the plastic on plastic here. It took me a little force to break this one, but I didn't want to wait like another week or so. And the PL400 we used also was like not new, it was old, and that's why it took long time to dry. So now with plastic on metal, and also it's hard to break actually. It's much stronger than GBL 400. I mean GBL weld. This PL400 much stronger than GB weld. Now, of course, the wood on wood, and this one also. Because wood on wood it'll become really hard to break. So we're gonna put it on the ground and try to break it. As you can see, it did not, however, it took part of the wood. It did not break through the, you see, it's already, the wood is broken, but not the PL400. So wood on wood, it become really hard to break. And of course, finally, the metal on wood, and that's also was not very strong, however. Finally, we did this door lock and aluminium, sorry, the metal on metal. Let's see if we be able to break this. So as you can see, the more time you leave it, the hard will become, and it will be impossible to break those through. And this also final metal on aluminum again. And still this not very dry, as you see, still soft. And so this test, it was not done 100% correctly, but just to show you about the PL400. We had some pictures, I'll put some pictures. I use PL400. The more time you leave it, the harder will become, really hard to break, especially if you leave them, if you leave the PL400 about like more than a week or so, then will be pretty much impossible to break them. So I also use it on camera. The camera holder. The camera weighs about almost 1 kilogram. Broke the net, and I'll put some picture and short video about the PL400 how hold. That's a Nikon P900. Broke the base net to hold for the holding the camera, and I tried to fix it. It was pretty much not fixable at all, and I found the only way is to put PL400. I left it more than a week, and after it's like one piece, very strong, and can never be break again. So when I put the PL400 there, I just I made sure the PL400 was not in a way to when to put the screw to screw in. As you can see, it's holding really good. I left that glue for about maybe like 10 days or so, and then after that it will become super hard to break. So for now, hope this video helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and all the best.